Afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So starting with the markets, talking about the indices, both the benchmark indices seem to be trading near its day's high. Nifty trading around the 15,850 levels. Sensex gained almost more than 200 basis points today and trading above the 52,890 levels, almost near 52,900 levels, you could say. Talking about the broader markets seem to be outperforming the benchmark indices. Both the Nifty mid-cap and the small-cap up more than 1% in trade as well. Now, sector-wise, when you look at it, PSU banks, metals, finance have, as well as realty, have gained more than 1% in trade and surely keeping the markets on the positive side, while the Nifty, FMCG, energy space are seeing a decline and are the two sectors which are declining in trade as well. Now, other than that, Tata Steel is actually among the top gainers in trade as well. So surely keep an eye out on the metal space. They have been buzzing as well. Moving forward, let's talk about the individual stocks now which have been buzzing in trade. So obviously we do have Ashok Leyland, which has jumped as much as 7 to 8% in trade today after a strong set of numbers is reported by the company in quarter 4, and obviously the Q4 profits have jumped multifold, coming in at 352 crores, while also mainly that surge was helped by the commercial vehicle sales in the country as well as the higher exports also, which Ashok Leyland saw. Revenues obviously have also seen a good growth, 60% up on a YOY basis. So surely a good set of numbers coming in from Ashok Leyland. Moving forward, let's talk about SAIL. The SAIL stock has also advanced as much as 4% in trade after Kotak Securities actually has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating and a target price of 170 rupees per share, assuming that the mid-cycle margins and the significant upside is optionality. So surely positive on the stock is coming in from Kotak Securities on SAIL, and that is why we're seeing a nice move coming in the stock price as well, up as much as 4% in trade. Other than that, we do have Mishra Dhatu also, that is Midani, which is also buzzing in trade. It's up as much as 1% in trade after a solid set of numbers reported by the company in the quarter 4, where we're seeing that the net profits have nearly doubled, coming in at 74 crores from 40 crores last year, while the revenues also have seen a strong jump, coming in at 70% and standing at 346 crore rupees. Obviously, the board has also recommended a final dividend of 1.5 rupees per share, 58 rupees per share to be precise. So surely keep an eye out on that. But today the stock is buzzing on the back of its results. Apollo Hospitals also in focus, climbed as much as 2 to 3% in trade after Jefferies has actually upgraded the stock to a buy from a previous hold and also raised the target price to 3,782 rupees from previously 2,447 rupees. So a nice jump that we're seeing coming in the target price as well. And the house says that, a brokerage firm is saying that, the company has announced a reorganization of its business with pharmacy plus digital, 24/7 being put into 100% subsidiary as well. So that is something that is obviously keeping the firm, the brokerage firm, quite positive. Jefferies positive on Apollo Hospitals. Now, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals is also up in trade, as today morning we did see news flow coming in. It's up as much as 1% after the company has actually received a tentative approval for its new drug application from the US FDA, which is Nintedanib drug, which is capsule, which is used for the treatment of IFP, which is a rare lung disease. So surely let's keep an eye out on that as well. Lastly, Indira Prasth Gas also in focus after its Q4 numbers. It's up as much as 1% in trade, and these are the stocks that have been buzzing in trade this afternoon.